The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving. Bitcoin, once a niche interest, has become a household name. Investors are increasingly looking beyond Bitcoin, seeking new opportunities for growth. This is where altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies, enter the scene. Offering potentially higher returns, altcoins have captured the attention of seasoned investors and newcomers alike. However, the world of altcoins can be complex. Navigating this dynamic landscape requires knowledge, strategy, and a keen understanding of the risks involved. The year 2024 promises to be a pivotal year for altcoins. As the market matures, adopting safe investment strategies is more critical than ever. Investing in altcoins is not for the faint of heart. The market is known for its volatility, with prices often fluctuating wildly. This inherent volatility is both a source of potential profit and significant risk. While some investors thrive on the adrenaline rush of quick gains, others find the unpredictability daunting. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial before diving into the world of altcoins. Are you comfortable with the possibility of significant losses in pursuit of high rewards? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Answering these questions honestly will shape your investment strategy and help you make informed decisions. Remember, every investment carries inherent risks. The year 2024 is poised to be a defining year for the altcoin market. Several factors suggest a potential turning point for this asset class. Growing mainstream adoption, coupled with increasing institutional interest, is fueling the market's growth. Moreover, technological advancements, particularly in the DeFi and NFT space, are creating new opportunities and challenges. However, regulatory scrutiny is also intensifying. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate this nascent but rapidly evolving market. Understanding these trends and their potential impact is crucial for making informed investment decisions in the coming year. As the altcoin market matures, adopting a strategic and cautious approach will be paramount. In the ever-expanding universe of cryptocurrencies, altcoins have emerged as a force to be reckoned with. But what exactly are altcoins? Simply put, altcoins are any cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. While Bitcoin paved the way, altcoins represent the vast and diverse range of digital assets that have sprung up since its inception. Each altcoin typically has its own unique features and purpose. Some altcoins, like Ethereum, offer smart contract functionality, enabling the creation of decentralized applications. Others, like Litecoin, aim to improve upon Bitcoin's transaction speed and efficiency. The world of altcoins is a testament to the constant innovation happening within the cryptocurrency space. Section 2. The allure of altcoins, innovation and diversification. One of the key reasons investors are drawn to altcoins is their potential for high returns. As the cryptocurrency market is still relatively young, some altcoins have experienced exponential growth, far outpacing traditional assets. This potential for significant gains, however, is coupled with inherent volatility. Beyond potential profits, altcoins offer investors an opportunity to diversify their portfolios. By investing in a basket of altcoins, individuals can spread their risk across different projects and technologies. Diversification is a cornerstone of prudent investing, and altcoins provide a unique avenue for exploring this strategy. Section 3. Understanding the technology, a diverse ecosystem. Before diving headfirst into the world of altcoins, it's crucial to understand the underlying technology. Most altcoins are built on blockchain technology, a decentralized and secure ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. This distributed ledger system ensures transparency and immutability, making it difficult for transactions to be altered or reversed. However, not all blockchains are created equal. Different altcoins utilize various consensus mechanisms, which determine how transactions are validated and added to the blockchain. Understanding these different mechanisms, such as proof of work and proof of stake, is essential for evaluating the security and sustainability of different altcoins. Section 4. Altcoins and the future of finance. A paradigm shift. The rise of altcoins is not merely a technological phenomenon, It represents a potential paradigm shift in how we think about finance. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, powered by altcoins like Ethereum, aims to create a more open and accessible financial system. From lending and borrowing to insurance and asset management, DeFi applications are disrupting traditional financial intermediaries. Moreover, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, built on various blockchains, have exploded in popularity, revolutionizing digital ownership and creating new avenues for artists and creators to monetize their work. The implications of altcoins extend far beyond simple investment opportunities, potentially reshaping industries and empowering individuals in unprecedented ways. Building a solid foundation involves thorough research and due diligence. Investing in altcoins requires careful attention to detail. Before making any investment, it's crucial to fully understand the underlying technology, the team behind it, and its practical use case. You might ask, what problem does this particular altcoin solve? Who are the developers behind it? What is the long-term vision for the project? These are just a few of the critical questions investors should ponder before committing their funds. Fortunately, there's a wealth of information available online, including white papers, technical documentation, and community forums. Take your time to read and understand this information, and don't hesitate to seek clarification if something isn't clear. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of altcoins. Moving on to diversification, which is not just a strategy but a fundamental principle of investing. It's especially crucial in the volatile world of altcoins. Spreading your investment across a variety of carefully selected altcoins can help mitigate risk. If one altcoin performs poorly, others may compensate for those losses. However, diversification goes beyond simply investing in numerous altcoins. Consider diversifying across different sectors within the cryptocurrency market. For instance, you might invest in altcoins focused on decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, gaming, or privacy-enhancing technologies. This approach can further spread risk and potentially increase the chances of capturing gains in different areas of the market. Now let's talk about risk management tools to navigate the inherent volatility in the altcoin market. Even the most promising projects can experience significant price swings. To manage this volatility, investors can utilize various risk management tools. One such tool is stop-loss orders, which automatically sell an asset when its price drops to a predetermined level, effectively limiting potential losses. Another valuable strategy is dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price fluctuations. This strategy can help smooth out the effects of volatility and reduce the risk of buying high and selling low. Remember, successful altcoin investing is not just about maximizing gains, but also about minimizing losses. Section 4. Staying ahead of the curve, monitoring market trends. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging regularly. To make informed investment decisions, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve by monitoring market trends. Follow reputable cryptocurrency news sources, attend industry events, and engage with online communities to stay informed about the latest developments. Pay attention to emerging sectors within the altcoin market, such as decentralized finance or DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and the metaverse. Understanding these trends and their potential impact can help you identify promising investment opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is dynamic, and continuous learning is essential for success. Section 1. Regulatory risks. Navigating the shifting sands. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies, including altcoins, is constantly evolving and varies significantly across jurisdictions. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate this nascent asset class, and the lack of clear guidelines creates uncertainty for investors. Changes in regulations, such as taxation policies or restrictions on trading, can significantly impact the value of altcoin investments. Investors need to stay informed about the regulatory landscape in their respective countries and regions. Follow reputable sources of information, such as government websites and industry publications, to stay abreast of any changes. Be prepared to adapt your investment strategy as needed to comply with new regulations. Remember, regulatory uncertainty is a risk factor inherent in the cryptocurrency market. Section 2. Market volatility, weathering the storms. Volatility is a hallmark of the cryptocurrency market, and altcoins are no exception. Prices can fluctuate wildly in short periods, driven by factors such as market sentiment, news events, and technological developments. While this volatility presents opportunities for profit, it also exposes investors to significant risks. To mitigate the risks associated with market volatility, investors should avoid investing more than they can afford to lose. Having a long-term investment horizon can help ride out short-term fluctuations. Consider using dollar-cost averaging to mitigate the impact of volatility and potentially lower your average purchase price over time. Remember, patience and discipline are essential virtues for navigating the choppy waters of the altcoin market. Section 3. Security concerns, protecting your investments. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrencies. As decentralized assets, altcoins are vulnerable to hacking, theft, and fraud. Exchanges, where altcoins are traded, can be targets for cyber attacks, and individual wallets, if not adequately secured, can be compromised. Protecting your investments requires vigilance and a proactive approach to security. Choose reputable exchanges with robust security measures in place. Enable two-factor authentication or 2FA on all your accounts. Store the majority of your altcoin holdings in offline wallets, also known as cold wallets, for enhanced security. Educate yourself about common scams and phishing attempts and be wary of suspicious emails or messages. Remember, safeguarding your investments is an ongoing responsibility in the digital age. Section 4. Project-specific risks. Due diligence is key. While market-wide risks are significant, each altcoin project carries its own set of risks. Before investing in any altcoin, conducting thorough due diligence is crucial. Research the project's team, technology, and white paper. Evaluate the project's use case, market opportunity, and competitive landscape. Look for red flags such as a lack of transparency, an anonymous team, or unrealistic promises. Engage with the project's community, ask questions, and seek independent opinions. Remember, not all altcoin projects are created equal. Some projects may fail due to technical flaws, lack of adoption, or competition. Investing in altcoins requires a discerning eye and a healthy dose of skepticism. Section 1. Embracing the future of finance, a balanced perspective. The world of altcoins is complex and constantly evolving. As we have explored, these digital assets offer both exciting opportunities and potential risks. For investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and tap into the potential of blockchain technology, altcoins present a compelling frontier. However, it's crucial to approach this market with a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the potential rewards and the inherent risks. Remember that altcoin investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires careful research, due diligence, and a willingness to embrace volatility. Diversification, risk management, and continuous learning are essential tools for navigating this nascent but rapidly growing market. By adopting a strategic and informed approach, investors can position themselves to potentially benefit from the transformative potential of altcoins while mitigating the inherent risks. Section 2. The importance of continuous learning, staying ahead. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic and constantly evolving. New trends, technologies, and projects emerge regularly, requiring investors to stay informed and adapt their strategies accordingly. What holds true today may not be relevant tomorrow, underscoring the importance of continuous learning. Make a habit of following reputable cryptocurrency news sources, attending industry events, and engaging with online communities. Stay informed about regulatory changes, technological advancements, and emerging trends. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to make informed investment decisions and navigate the complexities of the altcoin market. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies. Section 3. Final thoughts. Proceed with caution and optimism. As we look ahead to the remainder of 2024 and beyond, the altcoin market is poised for continued growth and innovation. Decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and other blockchain-based applications are transforming industries and creating new possibilities. This is an exciting time to be involved in the world of cryptocurrencies, but it's essential to proceed with both caution and optimism. Embrace the potential of altcoins, but do so with a clear understanding of the risks involved. Don't let greed cloud your judgment, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The altcoin market is a marathon, not a sprint. By approaching it with a long-term perspective, a commitment to learning, and a healthy dose of skepticism, you can navigate the complexities and potentially reap the rewards of this transformative asset class.